right, let's dive into a little secret that might just change the way you kickstart your day. Ever thought of combining garlic and honey right after you roll out of bed? Sounds a bit unusual, doesn't it? But stick with me here. Now, I know that popping a piece of garlic first thing in the morning might not sound like the most appealing idea, but when you hear about the benefits, you might just change your mind. First off, garlic. This isn't just your ordinary cooking ingredient. It's packed with allicin, which is basically nature's antibiotic. It boosts your immune system, fights off those nasty colds, and it's even good for your heart. But that's not all. When you crush that garlic clove, it kickstarts a chemical reaction that maximizes those health benefits. And then we've got honey. Not just any kind of sweetener. Honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory and gives a smooth, natural energy boost without the crash you get from caffeine. So what happens when you mix these two together? You get a combination that not only revs up your immune system, but also reduces inflammation and gives you a gentle morning wake-up call that your body will thank you for. Imagine starting your day feeling energized, your immune system on guard, and all of this without a single sip of coffee. Just a teaspoon of honey and a crushed clove of garlic. Yes, it might take some getting used to the taste, but the benefits, they're sweet as, well, honey. So why not try this simple yet powerful natural remedy? Your body might just surprise you with how much it loves this quirky morning ritual. Here's to health, and here's to starting our mornings off right, with a little bit of nature's magic in garlic and honey. End.